How to fix your iPhone 16 Pro Max camera focus issue. So, if you are experiencing a camera focus issue on your iPhone 16 Pro Max, here are some steps that you can try to resolve the problem. So, very first step is that you have to clean the camera lens. So, the dot fingerprint can affect the camera ability to focus, and you have to use a cloth to gently clean the lens on the back of your iPhone, and make sure that the lens is clear here. And also you have to restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the temporary software issues with the affecting camera. So for that you have to hold your power button and the volume up or down button until you see this light to power off menu appear on your screen. So on the number 3, you have to look for the software update. So Apple frequently release software update that can fix bugs. Go for your setting. Once you are on your setting, you have to just go for your general option and tap on the software update. So if there is any update available, you have to install it. On the number 4, you have to first close the camera app. So if you want to close the camera app or first close the camera app, sometimes the app might freeze or glitch, which affect the focus. So you have to just go and open up your camera app and swipe down from the bottom. And here you have to find the camera app and swipe it away. And after that, you have to open the camera app again, and here you have to check that your focus mode works or not. Also, you can reset your setting. Go for your setting, go for your general, scroll down and tap on your transfer or reset your iPhone, tap on the reset and go for the reset all setting. So you have to just enter your passcode and confirm, and it will reset your all setting, which will reset the Wi-Fi password, home screen layout and other setting of the apps. But it won't delete any of the data related to that. So if none of this step work, there might be a hardware issue. So you have to contact to the Apple support or visit an store for the further assistance. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.